Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate flash notification on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I'll have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, first thing first, of course, you just have to open the settings applications first. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the accessibility options. Tap on it. And now in this accessibility page, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the flash notifications. Now click on it. To activate the flash notifications, you have two options, which is the camera flash or the screen flash. And now for the camera flash, here I'm gonna try on first. I'm gonna tap on the button beside it to activate. Here the preview, guys. I'm gonna tap on it. When you get notifications, there are a camera flash, guys, behind the phone. And if you use this screen flash, when you have a new notification, there are a flash on the screen. And this is the preview. And also here you can change the color of the flash at the screen flash. Here you can tap on this screen flash and pick the color you want. For example, the sky blue. And I'm gonna tap on that. And also here you can activate these two options here, guys. So if you get a new notification, there are a flash at the back camera and at the screen of the phone. This is the preview. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.